Hello, English 2 folks. I am putting this together for those of you who either missed class today or did not finish our culminating Unit 1 assignment in class. Excuse me. So yesterday we wrote an objective summary for our novel, Like Water for Chocolate. And then today we were doing the second part of the culminating what did we decide to call it? I think we decided to call it a project. So the culminating project for Unit 1. This is worth a huge chunk of your quarter 1 grade. This is a summative assessment. So if you look at the balance of assignments and their weights, the different categories of assignments, you'll see that summative carries a huge weight, even though we have relatively few of those during a unit. Usually we only have 2. So very important. All right, let's look at this. The first thing I did was give you an example, an exemplar paragraph, an analysis of a theme in a novel. The novel in this case is The House on Mango Street. You all may have read that in middle school. And if you just take a second to read through this, you'll see that they're discussing people being judged or characters being judged by their physical appearance. And as you see, the writer provides evidence first. The writer shows 2 instances, actually 1 instance with 2 quotes of how this character, Kathy, dismisses other characters because of the way that they look. We have the quotes there as evidence. And then the writer of this paragraph goes on to sort of just discuss and analyze that judgment that this character, Kathy, has on other characters. And then we have another observation about a character's hair and a reaction by yet another character who is Esperanza's mother, where she's judging someone because they're too beautiful. Very simple, just a couple of observations with proof, if you will, evidence from the novel to support that observation. All right, so I'm going to move on here and show you what I did for you. First of all, here's the prompt that we've been talking about. We started talking about this on Friday. This is our 3rd day to work on this. So read over the prompt and remember we decided that we're going to focus on the theme of liberation, specifically Tita's liberation. And we had some really good conversation up until this point in class about the different ways that Tita is liberated. Sometimes she starts exercising power she didn't even know that she had when her cooking has these seemingly magical qualities that give her power over people around her. There's also some liberation thematically developed in some of the instances of magical realism. For instance, when Nacha, who has died, comes back to Tita on several occasions and gives her ideas or power to do certain things. And then, of course, there's where Tita consciously starts asserting her independence and her power. So I tried to word this in a way that you would have creative license and freedom in what you decide to write. Okay, underneath this, I put together this paragraph organizer. So the topic sentence, you can write a new one, but we did write these in class together on Friday. So if you want to reuse that one, that is fine. And then I've just got places for you to kind of organize your evidence and your own interpretation of that evidence. And then after that, I provided this space, and what I'm asking you to do is to paste that objective summary that we wrote in class yesterday right here, where I'm wiggling around the thingy do. And then underneath that, take what you've written up here, your analysis, and put it underneath that so that I can have both of those paragraphs together for grading. Now, I kind of messed up on the document. I meant to attach this to the assignment as a Google Doc with a copy for everyone, but I neglected to do that. I made a mistake and made it a Word document. So make sure that when you finish filling this out, you save it and upload that document. PDF is fine. The submissions I've gotten so far have been PDF documents, and that's fine. I just need to see your work. All right, good luck, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.